Hi everyone, now I am in Candy Tower 3. My friend said they not reply to him, and I want to ask also contact number Candy Palace, Candy Apartments for reservation the room, because he arrived January and he want to reservation room and pay deposit money. And also I want to ask about maybe available rooms studio. Good afternoon. Christmas prepare, Christmas tree, billiard. Maybe Georgi also play here in billiard. This lobby, I waiting. Beer. 6 beer discounted 30 peso. Menu. What is menu? I think you can read. I waiting for the lobby. Good afternoon. I already been in the lobby in White Tower, and they said have a studio room in January in here.
In Tower 1, sir?
Maybe Tower 1, but they give phone number and email. And my friend from France tried to 1 week ago, try to message, try to call, no one reply. He want already room and pay deposit he want. Do you have some contact number and he can contact with?
No, sir. We don't give personal details of any of our...
But how to booking room here?
You can search in Agoda, sir.
Where?
Agoda.
Agoda?
Yeah, or...
In Agoda only.
Yeah. We just check.
So this is one night, 4555, and minimum is weekly is 2833. I think this is good rates. This one 16.
January 11 to
March 9. Maybe have executive room is cheapest. Yes.
That's in Candy Palace, sir.
In Candy Palace.
Yeah, in the other building.
Can I see the room today?
Sure. You can walk in there.
Where? In Candy Palace?
Yeah.
Не Prime MG Hotel.
Yeah,
Okay.
next to Prime Asia.
Next.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can walk in there and ask.
Thank you very much. Yeah, I already see have very good for 4 person. Water, don't have water. Thank you. Now I will go to Candy Palace to show to you Candy Palace. What different between Candy Palace and Candy Tower 3. So I'm going to Candy Palace right now. And this before apartment LT Suites Georgi, maybe 2 years rent the room here. And now this is Korea Hotel. Hanguk, it's mean Korea. And another hotel, Sunny Hotel, it's also Korean hotel, Sunny Hotel. Before, Georgi rent also here, but they already change owner maybe. This is Prime Asia Hotel. Prime Asia Hotel. Rooftop have restaurant also. Prime Asia Hotel. This is massage. And also this is hotel. I don't know, never been inside. Laundry, wash 85 peso, dry 85. And promotion 170. Now promotion. Elysee Condotel also. Take a look, have discount. Discount for extend stay. It's only if you extend. You can contact to this number and email or website. And this building already Candy Palace. I already filming inside before. You can watch old video from Candy Palace. But I won't ask about good afternoon. I won't ask about studio room. If studio room available. Good afternoon. A studio room not available now?
Now?
Yes. And from January also. Because my friend January want to.
But what dates right now? You're
January 11. January 11 available or not? Reservations Candy Reality.com. This one, yes? Can email also and message or call to this number.
Call that number.
Okay. So it's available phone number.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's open.
Okay,
You
okay.
can just call us and ask about.
Okay. Thank you very much because he already 1 week tried to call.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So this is number.
Your stuff like that. Really? Before JJ.
As you can see already, in Candy Palace don't have a studio room, but only one one bedroom only. It's 46,000 peso. Little bit expensive for my friend because he want to stay 2 months. And I also give to him number, and he try to do reservation